Call the meeting to order. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance, please. Pledge of Allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Before we get started tonight, I would like to observe a moment of silence first for a former student of ours who sadly passed away last month. Naziah Walton was a graduate of the class of 2024. She was a beloved and accomplished student, a very talented individual who made a positive and lasting impact on the FHS community. So I'd ask for a moment of silence for her. Thank you. And we also learned over the weekend of the passing of former longstanding teacher at IAR and former president of the FEA, Mark DiBiase, passed.
Wow.
Yeah, so I would like to observe a moment of silence in his memory. May his memory be a blessing to all of his friends and family and those who loved him. So just, we can do that, please. Thank you. All right. Before we go on, inviting and receiving public comment, there's no one here, so I'll just move on from that. And then we'll begin new business. Just so we're clear, I'm calling, I didn't say this at the beginning, I apologize. We are calling to order the special meeting notice for today, March 3rd, 2025, of the Farmington Board of Education. New business, we are discussing the selection of a search firm for the superintendent. I'm going to actually turn this over to my friend Andrea, who is the chair of the search committee. Andrea, can you just kind of give us a report of what you've been up to and where we're at with things?
Yeah, so we posted the RFP, the request for proposal for the search consultant on February 5th, and proposals were due by February 19th. We received 5 proposals, and after reviewing the proposals, we selected 3 consulting firms to interview. The interviews were conducted last week, and then we, I think unanimously, one consulting firm came to the top as the firm that we would like to go with for this process of searching for the superintendent, next superintendent.
Okay. Thank you for all that were able to attend those meetings. I know I wasn't able to attend, but I know we had 7 people for Monday. Was it 7?
7.
7 Monday and then 6 on Thursday.
Thursday,
Yeah, so
yeah.
thank you all. It was kind of short notice, and I appreciate everyone's involvement. Given that we're going to be discussing this, the business that's of the, that we should probably go to executive session, I think, at this point. So can I get a motion to go into executive session?
Motion? Second.
All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. No, we're in executive session. All right, we're out of executive session. Back into the main meeting, if we could. I need a motion to appoint.
Well, we have to come back into it.
We did. I think we just did. We're back in. Yeah, right. We're back in regular session at 7:13. Sorry.
That's all right.
Purposes. Okay. All right. I need a motion to appoint CAVE Executive Search Services as the executive search services firm to assist the Personnel Search Committee in the search to appoint the next superintendent of schools and to authorize the chair of the Personnel Search Committee, Andrea Sabinsky, to negotiate and sign the contract for such services.
Motion?
Second.
Any discussion? All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Okay, congratulations, guys. Good job. All right.
Step 1.
I just want to say thank you to everybody
Yes,
for
yes.
participating in the review and the interviews. It was a really great collaborative effort.
But thank you, Andrea, for taking the lead in this. This is a lot, I know, but I appreciate all your hard work. You did a great job with this. Okay. I think no other business before us. Motion to adjourn.
Motion?
Second.
And we're adjourned at 7:14.